cooking on and my windows is tinted. Let's go. My backseat ain't empty. We just left the Fendi. We getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam. This is why I need.
It is Saturday morning. Today's April 26th. So let's brush my teeth. The other day I did put some stuff in this right here, so I'm gonna put the rest in the blue one. I only bought one from Dollar Tree, but now I noticed like I had one in the I think called the shopping cart on the balcony. So it's right here. It is right here. So I'm gonna put these stuff in there. Today I'm going on a juice cleanse. A 3-day juice cleanse. All I'm gonna be drinking is juice and water. Nothing, no food. Probably salad the most. No, with no meat. Like I'm trying to do this juice cleanse. From last week I said I was gonna do it and I didn't. I'm gonna do this juice cleanse. I'm gonna try to push it if I can do it for a whole week. I'm gonna try my best. But I need to feel a difference in my body. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I was saying about these. I might start using these on my face. But I don't know, because I have to stick to my CeraVe. But I didn't even wash my face yet. I just brushed my teeth just now. But I just literally said I need to clean this bathroom. The bathroom is a mess. It needs to be clean. So we gonna do it right now. So now it's look a mess. We gonna fix that up right now. After so it looks now. Go. Looks so much better. Neat. My CV just came like 5 minutes ago. So now I'm gonna get ready and go to Walmart because I need to go get some stuff. I need a garbage bin. We're in April and I still don't have a garbage bin. I gotta go get it right now. The weather is kind of little, but I need to go shower and just go. I have to get this stuff. I have to get it done. I need to. Ooh, my skin is glowing. It's like turmeric right to the season my face now. But we're gonna go to Walmart. All the way to Valley Stream. I gotta do it. I need my garbage bin today. And because I'm on this juice and fruit cleanse, I need to go get some pineapple. Like I need like 3 pineapples and some cucumbers. So I need to go to Walmart. Yes, I'm gonna travel almost 2 hours to go to Walmart. This is crazy. This reminds me of me going to Pennsylvania, but I need it now because I'm on a 3-day cleanse and I don't want to eat nothing. Like I don't want to eat no food. It's all about fruits, juice, and water. That's it. I'm so serious. Like me and God, we in this together. He told me from last week to do it, and I ignored him. I'm doing it this week, 3 days. I'm seeing if I could do a week. But I'm gonna try 3 days first because I never did it before. My first time doing it, so I'm gonna. I don't know. I'm trying. So we're gonna go shower and I'm gonna get dressed and we go to Walmart together. Okay? So I'm gonna see y'all. Yo, we going to Queens and I'm gonna return this curtain rod and the drill because I don't need the drill. Because I'm gonna pay somebody to do everything in it. So it ain't make no sense for me to keep it. So I'm about to go to Walmart. I missed the bus. I was so mad. I had to go back inside and wait. I was another bus before 4:30. So I can't miss this one. It's like 3 minutes. For the frame. Outside. I gotta find this. I gotta come back over here one day and go shopping. Cause I'm not even far. I'm not close. Like a couple steps away. I think it's 9 stops. I'm waiting for the bus right here. Taking the Q5. Straight there. It's like 30 something stops. That's crazy, but I gotta go over there, so it don't matter no more. It's whatever, man. So it's coming like 8 minutes. Oh my god, yo, I'm hungry, but I am not gonna eat no food. I want some fruits. I should have put my cash. Oh my god. I'm have to wait till I go to Walmart to get some fruits so I could eat. Like fruits that's already peeled and everything. Gotta go down the line over here. We're on the line. To get on the bus. And we find Walmart. Walmart is right there. Listen, I came up the wrong stop. All the way down. I had to walk up here, man. I don't know why I wasn't paying attention. So at least I know I could go down there and take the bus. Cause I'm like, damn, I ain't been over here in years, so I don't remember where I took the bus from. So I'm like, you know what? I was gonna take an Uber back to Jamaica Avenue. But now that I see it, now I know where to go. Listen, if I wasn't on this juicing thing, I would go right up before I went because I'm starving. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. 852, yeah. Alright, now I know where to go. Shit, close. I saw Aldi just now. I don't even know where. I know it's on this side too. I just want to. I'm about to look for it. I want some salmon. That's what, like, when I come off this cleanse. When I come off this cleanse, oh, I'm gonna eat something good. I have steak in the fridge I put back. I want some steak and eggs. I'm craving that right now. But I'm not gonna do it though. I'm gonna return this shit, get my cash, and buy my stuff that I want. Home and pharmacy, you know. Oh, Aldi right in the front today. I'm gonna go to Aldi first. Or should I go last? No, I'm gonna go last because I could go walk. After I finish, I could just go to the bus stop. I gotta drop this off and go get this cash back so I'm gonna spend it. Glad I finally came over here. I'm so glad I'm gonna get my garbage bin. I was not trying to buy it from nowhere else because all the places are so pricey. I was like, oh no, we're not doing that. Pick up 2 pineapple. I'm gonna get some avocado. It says $3.17 each. Is it worth it? 5. Yeah, it's worth it. I just got a pineapple from. I just gotta get one over here. I thought I should get 3 or 2. I don't know. I don't think I could travel with 3. It's too much. I'll come over here. This is the only one they have in the mainstay brand. This is the one I'm gonna get because it's black and it's only 11 something. That's it. That's what I'm getting. It's packed in this place. I'm gonna get ready to go. That's about it. I don't need nothing else. It is 7:30. My battery is on 3%, and I'm going to Five Below. Then I'm going to Aldi. Then I'm gonna go to the place. Then I'm gonna go to the bus stop. Oh, I just came off the bus. I'm back on Hillside. Oh my god, the train is coming in 9 minutes. I'm already ready. Are you getting hungry? Me hungry. Bye. I just got home. It's like 10 o'clock on the dot. So this is for that up here. So I got somebody coming tomorrow to fix up my side table, the TV, well, not the TV because my TV stand not here yet, so not the TV, the side table, the curtain, my bed frame, and something else. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, my TV stand, but it's not here yet. It's delayed. So yeah, I gotta wait. But you gonna put you right here. Should I put it right there? I definitely want to put it right here. I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, it's gonna be right there. Yeah, I can take this shit off the door. So that's what I. But yeah, it look good right here, right? That's where it's gonna stay. It's 11 gallon. It's not a 13 gallon. It's 11 because, you know, like I said, the white one. Yeah, the white one. I didn't want white, so I'm not buying a white garbage can. That's not. But anyways, I'm home. Thank God. Sunday, and I'm uploading that video right now. I just edited the part 2 of Vybz Kartel concert. I'm ordering some stuff on Instacart from ShopRite because I don't feel like going outside. I actually want to take a nap right now. I was gonna go outside, but I changed my mind, and I get free delivery. So look, yeah. So I'm just gonna order some stuff. I need watermelon that I didn't get yesterday from Walmart. Some cucumbers. I'm buying another pineapple again. Yeah. Bananas. I'm taking like a touchscreen. Bananas, cucumbers, apple. I'll take this one out. What I can see a bag right there. Yeah, this delivery coming right here. Yeah, I'm hungry though. $21, not bad. I'll take out some stuff though. I'm gonna take out the apple and yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just here watching. I love this lady on YouTube. I love her. I watch her all the time.
He is there, and not only is he there, the enemy cannot touch you in that space because
Period.
the water serves as a force field, so to speak. It becomes like a shield around you because the water belongs to God.
Amen.
The water is His. Jesus said, "You will thirst no more if you drink from this cup." And the water is where your healing is. And the water is where your blessing is. And the water is where profound revelation is. Profound knowledge, unsearchable, unknowable things that only God can reveal unto you.
But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this order and I'm gonna just relax for the rest of the day. From ShopRite. I wish this was a watermelon with a good seeds. I didn't even know that's one I chose.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake a dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the brunch of the whole world.
Just picked up my TV mount from downstairs because I just checked it. I'm upstairs into this. I'm like, hold on, my mount not here yet. So I checked it and it said it was delivered on Saturday. Saturday's when I went to Queens and come back mad late. So I thought I had checked downstairs. I thought I had checked. Didn't I go in that room when I came back? I saw I did. I didn't see it. So whatever. I got it now. Listen, I really got 3 pineapples though. Like I'm with it. I need to go get some more cucumbers. Look how I made my plantain put to the side. I really got 3. I'm gonna peel one of these tomorrow. Probably this one, because this one looks like it's alright. It's about to be right. But yeah, and at the bottles back here, I'm gonna pour them in there. I'm gonna have fresh pineapple juice. What? And pineapple and cucumber together. That's a detox. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I'm not playing. Let's see. Oh. It's too high. So I put it on 300. What is okay? I have to turn it over. Let it go again for another 15 minutes. Salad. Got the lettuce right here, soaking in some apple cider vinegar and baking soda. And then we got the cucumber right here. But look at my perfect rice. When all fades, but you don't got no foil paper, that's what I use. Perfect rice. Yeah. The key to having the best salad is this right here. Like this season right here. Or real bad with this. Right? What? This is a key to having the best salad. Like this would make you want to eat salads every day. Because this tastes so good. Walmart, eat my lunch. Not too much now. Here, but I'm about to eat my food with this Southwest corn from Walmart. It's good. I love this. I bought this like a few times already. It's really good. Y'all, my meal prep. The sweet chili sauce in there. Yes. I just took the gravy from the rest that was left over in the air fry thing. Pour it in there. Pour the sauce on it and just dip it in there. That's what I did. Simple 1, 2, 3 with some corn on the side. That's it. I'm gonna go relax for work. I'm walking home, and my friend Chris sent me the TikTok of a Juicy Beef that opened in Brooklyn on Nostra Avenue. And I'm like, they will open it when I move to Queens, but I went on their Instagram and they said that it's gonna be in Queens and the Bronx too. So I was like, okay. But I don't know. Maybe it's not even on this side of Queens. Maybe I gotta go to Jamaica Avenue to go get it. I'm not far from Jamaica Avenue anyway, but I'm just saying. But yeah, so they opened it. I think they opened it on Sunday, because when I went on their page, it said a day before, or a day ago. So yesterday was Sunday, so I think that's when they opened it. But yeah, I'm going over there tomorrow. That's the first thing I'm gonna do when I get up tomorrow morning. I'm going straight over there. Like what? I need like 2 of those. 2 juicy patty please, and it better taste the same. It better taste the same. It better taste the same, or else problems, hello? Now for real though, what? That's the best. Oh my god. Cause I'm like, yeah, last year when they brought it into Florida, I was like, come on, they better bring that shit to Brooklyn. That's all I know. Yeah, I'm going over there tomorrow and get 2 of those patties. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I'm so excited. Like, what? Oh my god. A Juicy Beef, the America. I lie. But yeah, that's it. That's what I just wanted to check in with that, because I'm excited. I was so shocked when he sent me everything. Because you know that friend that you have on social media that you send videos back and forth to. That's me and him. We do that on Instagram too. And I mean, I have other people too, but I'm saying he's the one that sent it to me. Okay, so big up you, big friend Chris. But yeah, I'm gonna go get 2 of those patties tomorrow. Yeah, I was surprised. I was like, oh, what the hell, Yante? No, where is that? With a bomba clot. So I wanted to I do want to go inside and juice some, because I have 3 pineapples, so I want to juice at least one of them. And I did use, it wasn't half, like less than half of the cucumber to make when I made the salad earlier today. So when I'm gonna use the rest, and when I go to Brooklyn tomorrow, I'm gonna buy some more. Now I should have went to the bank because I don't have no cash. I don't have much cash on me. All I really want is cucumbers anyway, because I have watermelon and I have pineapple, so I just want cucumbers. But yeah, I'm gonna juice a pineapple right now with the rest of the cucumber that I have left. All right, y'all. This is the pineapple I'm about to do right now with the rest of this cucumber. Probably put an apple in there. I don't think I ever did pineapple ginger together before. I'm so glad I bought somebody. I'm gonna keep doing that because I need to lose some weight, man. Like listen. Yeah, I usually cut it this way, but I'm gonna cut it this way tonight because I see that it's. And I'm gonna boil the skin.
Baby girl.
I don't think she was ready yet. Well, it was ready because I pulled the thing. But I saw a video on Instagram. They said how you know when your pineapple's right. You gotta pull what do you call this part? This thing right here. This. You gotta pull it out. See? So when you pull it, is right. But I don't think it's all the way right. But, and I did that earlier when I came. When I came in, I had pulled it like 2 times and 2 came out already, so. We're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna see if it works. We're not picking nothing right now. It works, okay, so that's that. Well, I forgot I had celery, so I'm about to blend some celery with it too. So get some good nice sleep. Listen, it's a workout cutting pineapple, yo. It is a workout. Cause why am I struggling? I got the skin right here. I'm gonna use this a little bit. I'm not gonna overpower it like I did the last time, so this should be enough ginger. I ain't gonna do too much. You know how big I have bigger boards? I don't know why. It's cool though.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'm a ice both of y'all like Pesky. I'm a
This is it. I poured some in the bottle, one of my bottles, and put it in the fridge because I wanted to drink it before I go to bed. I want it to be chilled though, so I'll put it in the freezer. But yeah, this is it. It's the celery make it look green because earlier it was yellow, the pineapple, light yellow. But this is celery, cucumbers, pineapple, apple, and ginger. Yeah, it's Wednesday morning and we're heading to Brooklyn to go get some juicy beef patty. Yeah, I want to buy like 3. I want to buy the regular beef, spicy. I want to try the other one. Which one was I was going to try again? Chicken and avocado and something else. I think it was 3 of them I said I wanted to try. I don't remember. What's not coming to me right now? Oh yeah, the spinach patty. Yes, I love me some spinach. So I know that's going to taste good. But I just remember the one I tried on Jamaica Avenue. I know it's going to taste good, so. But it's crazy because when I go to Jamaica, I don't buy none of that. I want to buy the regular beef patty. So I'm walking to the F train because the freaking 103 they keep switching up the time. So I'm like, I am not waiting on this damn bus, bro. I gotta go. I'm not waiting. Oh yeah, actually I don't have to wait, right? Oh yeah. I gotta go that way. Is that way or that way? Yeah, that way. Yeah. So this is where I usually come from work because the 103, by the time I get off work, the 103 is not running. So I'll take another bus, any bus, because I come up this way, I could just walk up wherever. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna listen to some music. And I'm gonna see y'all when we get over there. Because I hope it's not too crowded. Of course it is gonna be. But I just think it's not too line is not that long. Because it's cool though, because all I gotta do is come over and get dressed and go to work. That's all. So I ain't worried about that too much. Because I have enough time. It's now, I don't think it's 12 yet. It's like 11:40 something. I should have walked from, I was trying to go yesterday and it backfired. It messed me up yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. I was so mad. I was like, oh, the same bus again. No, it was my fault. It was my fault. I came outside late. No, actually I came outside in 5 minutes, but the one thing we need, the buses over here, some of them don't go by the time, especially the 103. And because I noticed when it's at 5 minutes, I'm going downstairs. By the time I go outside, that bus is gone. And sometimes when I'm out there waiting for the bus, it don't come on the right time. We come like 2 minutes late or something. So I was like, you know what? I ain't got time for this bus. But it's a good thing I have other buses that take me to a different train, like the end of the W train. That take me to Times Square and I just walk. It's a 5-minute walk to work. But yeah, you see how hot the sun is? The sun is so hot today. That's why I decided to put some leggings on, because what? Yeah, and today's the last day for Autism Month. So I'm like, I'm gonna throw these on. And I have a lot of them. But I'm gonna go to the park tomorrow, go work out. We're gonna go there tomorrow, go do some jogging. Because I love that. I love that God. Ooh, the way God be looking out for me. Because I was like, I need a park to go and run to. Because honestly, I don't like running on the treadmill. I'll be so scared to run. I hate it. It's crazy because I saw Joy. Yeah, I follow Joy Childs on Instagram. Bow Wow the mother of his child, is I was watching her story the other day, and she was running so fast on that treadmill. I'm like, girl, my anxiety. Ooh. But yeah, I can't do it. I'm scared. So I got to go run at a park or something. And I did it a couple years ago, and it was working for me because I usually go there on my days off. Well, not on my days off, when I'm off on break. The job I usually do is a matron job, so I had always a couple hours of break, and I usually go there and run a lot. Yeah, I'd rather park over a treadmill any day. I go to the gym and do all the lifting and stuff, but the running part I'm not going to do. So yeah. The line, y'all. Y'all, I really travel an hour and a half to go get some patties. That was my plan, and I'm gonna do it all summer. What's up? Cause right to the club, first look off that bike. Wow, wow! Look at them! Look at them! That's crazy. Mind my business, y'all. Yeah, but I did go get some patties. I'm so excited to try it. I'm so excited to try it. I'm so excited to eat it. But you know what I'm talking about. It smells like that maple. I'm going to train a while ago. It's if I smell the whole train, I smell it. Like what? I'm so excited. I'm hurry up and go inside, yeah? Like I said, that was the plan for me to go get it, come back, get ready, go to work anyway. So I made it over in time. So I'm gonna get home probably like 3:30 and do this TikTok, because you know I'm gonna do my TikTok every time. Cause yeah, this is the year I'm making content. We outside. But yeah, I love my nails though. And I'm gonna cut them shorter though. I'm gonna cut them shorter for real. I'm glad it wasn't. Oh, I'm glad I didn't wait long. 10 minutes on the line, 10 minutes inside. Not a long way, because I see people complaining. Well, not really complaining. People were saying that they were waiting 30 minutes to an hour. Blah, blah. I just saw a girl, like she came from this area too. Well, down there where I took the bus from, because I saw her when I came with the train and when I was going for the bus. So, look at that. I ain't the only one traveling for patties. It's still warm. I'm pretty sure it's not hot, but it's still warm. I feel it. I felt it on my leg when I had it under, because I have it in this bag right here. So I felt the warmness on my leg. I just took my package downstairs. This is my package I ordered from TikTok. When I was out, I got a notification that it was delivered, so I picked it up just now. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat these patties. Oh my god. Starving! Ngayon, from I eat, I think I some green juice from the fort. So I'm hungry. I bought a piece of watermelon. I bought a piece of yellow watermelon. I was gonna buy a big one, but I didn't have any cash. I'm putting it in the fridge right now. Hoping that will work. Alright, 2 cucumber, a detangling spray, because I need one badly. Sorry. I was gonna buy a burgundy one, but I changed my mind, because I have a burgundy wig I'm gonna detangle. That's why I put a detangling spray. Plus I can use it in here. But I'm gonna dye this. I don't know why I put this. I think I bought this because I might dye this here too. I'm not sure yet. It's either gonna be black or burgundy. I'm gonna get over this. Alright, so the pot in the mirror. I'm gonna do the same thing for TikTok. One patty. This is what? This is mild. Oh, okay, she got 2. Okay, there's 2 in each. 2 mild, 2 spicy. I'm gonna warm it up. It's kind of, it's still warm, but it's not hot. I'm warm it a little bit. Should put in the air fryer, but I don't have time to do that right now. I don't have time to do that right now. Alright, so I'm on my TikTok. Ooh, the patty. Oh my god. It's the same, smell the same, everything. I love it. So I just came off the train. I'm like 15 minutes early for work. I think I'm gonna treat this like KFC, because every Friday I'm gonna go get it. But I'm gonna get 2 though, not 4. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.